In this video, we're going to look at the two most common mistakes that people make when they're doing Buteyko breathing exercises. So if you're struggling with Buteyko, if you find that the air hunger is too high for you, if you feel tense or stressed, or you feel like you're not getting any progress, if your control pause isn't increasing, then this is the video for you. So the first issue that I see all the time with new clients is they struggle to get the level of air hunger correct when they're doing Buteyko breathing. So when we're doing the Buteyko exercises, we want to feel a gentle air hunger. Especially at the beginning, we want it to be gentle. Air hunger is the feeling of not having quite enough air, a feeling like you'd like to take a deeper breath, but you don't, or a bit like that feeling when you're walking up a bit of a slope, but you're not out of breath. So that's what we're looking for, and that's where we get many of the benefits of Buteyko breathing. Now, what often happens is people control their breath too tightly, and this ends up with a very high level of air hunger. They become tense, they become stressed, and they don't get any of the benefits of Buteyko. In fact, it can have the opposite effect. So, how do we create a gentle air hunger? Well, let's use the breathe light exercise as an example, because this is where people struggle the most. So to begin with, just start to focus on your breathing, either at the tip of your nose or in the region of your diaphragm. That's around here at the bottom of your rib cage. And initially, just focus on the feelings of your breathing without trying to change your breathing in any way. So if you start off just trying to control your breathing straight away, it's going to be very difficult to tune that air hunger. To begin with, just focus on the feel of your breathing. Just let your body breathe naturally. Don't try and change it. I appreciate you might accidentally change it anyway, because a lot of us do, but as best you can, just let your body breathe naturally. Let your breathing settle down, and this is your starting point. And even for some people, this can create a mild sense of air hunger. The second thing to do then is just to start to bring some relaxation into your body. So when we relax the muscles in our body, this tends to gently slow and soften our breathing. And this is the easiest and most gentle way that we can create air hunger. So what you do is you just, as you're focusing on your breathing, you just start to relax the different muscles in your body, relaxing your mouth and your jaw, obviously making sure that your mouth stays closed. Let the muscles in your neck become longer and more relaxed. Let your shoulders soften down away from the ears. Let your belly relax. So in Buteyko, we say belly, soft like jelly. And just let your whole body relax. And this is your starting point before you try any of the more intense versions of the breathe light, before you start trying to add long breath holds in, before you do the breathe light. Just go really gently to begin with. And so this actually brings us on to the second issue that I commonly see when people are doing the breathe light exercise. And that is that they have too much tension in their body. So I see that their shoulders up around their ears, like earrings. You see that their belly is tense. Sometimes I can see gripping in their hands, or their eyes are tense, or their jaw is tense. Perhaps you sort of recognize this from when you try doing the breathe light or reduced breathing exercise. And so here, the solution is simple. What we need to do is to learn to relax the body separately to doing the Buteyko exercises. So when we're doing Buteyko, we need to be constantly relaxing, but that's quite a lot to concentrate on. It's two different things at the same time. So what I want you to do is just practice doing muscle relaxation exercises. They're very calming and they're very beneficial in their own right. And then come back to Buteyko. And luckily, I've got a channel which is dedicated to relaxation exercises. I'm going to put one of them up here for you to try, or I'll also put some down in the description. Give those a go, just try them for a week just on their own, and then come back to Buteyko. Also, if you can like and subscribe on the new channel, that would be amazing to get it going. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.